ฏิเหตุเพราะว่าถุงลมเต็มรถถุงยางถุงลมถุงลมถุงลมผู้บริหารนะโอ้โหไม่ไหวแล้วเว้ย 1 2 3 4 โอ้น้องๆแต่ละคนนี่ยิ้มสวยแก้มออกทุกคนเลยฮะยิ้มสวยแก้มออกโอ้โหโดยเฉพาะหน้ารถโอ้โห
ดีเจ
ว่า
ไอ้หน้ารถมันเป็นฝ้าบอกมาเล่นข้างๆนี่
ด้านข้างมุมดีกว่า
Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. I know the volume of the microphone is a bit low because I'm using my phone to video this. So this is outside of the Bangkok Auto Salon. So yeah, showing you the cars that's currently lining up here. All the all-wheel drive cars. Amazing display. Love it, man. Alright, so we have Evo 4, Evo 6, Evo 8. Oh, nice! There's an Evo 3 here, Evo 5, Evo 6, sorry, Evo 6, Evo 5, wagon. This Evo 3 is nice. Superman, look at that. My God. Another Evo 3. I like that Subaru, man. Oh my God. Shit. Look at the lip, bro. Look at the front lip. Oh. Okay, it's a 4-door. Nice rims though, GC4.
Horrible side mirrors, cannot see.
This is a rally style side mirrors.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, man. Don't need to, man. Okay, let's check out the. Oh, another nice one there. Another GC8. But I don't like that wing though. I prefer this wing. Nice. Another wagon.
Many wagons.
Yeah. So it's like a Subaru and a all-wheel drive club. Oh, I like that, man. Okay, this one I was looking from this now can spot already. This yellow, man, damn nice. Yeah.
GT4.
Right, Celica GT4. Okay, I haven't seen a 2-door.
The inspiration for the GR.
Yeah. Toyota. The grandfather.
Yeah.
Somehow the bug eye, right, is like coming back to me, like, you know, the looks of it. I like it. Super. Oh, this is wow, man. Look at how wide it is. Nice Evo 5. Evo 5's the looks is nicest lah. Nicest. Damn. Okay.
The roof.
Okay.
Check out the roof.
Hey, but don't they come with sunroof? Some of them do, right?
I don't think so.
God, bro. Hey, EG doing here? What's the EG doing here?
All-wheel drive. Just go behind. It's all-wheel drive.
Okay, it says all-wheel drive. Oh yeah. Look at the differential there. Alright, man. Look at the tires, Mickey Thompson's. And a K-swap turbo. Alright, no wonder it needs 4-wheel drive. It's madness.
Belak industry wheels.
Woo.
Belak industry wheels.
Yeah. So these are drag EG6. Oh my god. This is nice. Alright. Beautiful, man.
After this, you can buy one.
Okay. After this, we dream of owning one. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't have the conventional front bar panel.
So that you can
They
do all
remove
this.
it, yeah. And they fabricated this metal piece. Nice, nice, nice. Very, very nice. For a drag car to look like this, it's amazing. Nice. This guy done it right, man. Oh, the wiper cowl is carbon fiber. Come on, man. I like the wing as well. Very different.
Home wing.
Oh, really? Oh, this is the one that you have, lah.
Yeah, this is the home wing.
Nice.
Very,
It looks
very
very nice. Looks cool, man. Bro, even the rear, they put a Mickey Thompson. What?
Yes.
Because of formula, huh?
Show you something else.
What's up? Plexiglass?
No.
Oh, cage.
Template. It's just that.
Alright, guys. I'm really impressed with this lineup of cars. Honestly, I feel that the cars that are outside here is much more interesting than cars that's inside. But that's just my personal opinion. So, yeah, man. Alright, so whoa, I like this Evo 8. Yo,
Yes.
bro, something about cars with like livery, right? Like, nice, oh. Like,
Yeah, I want the Mugen one.
no, I mean, like, you know, it stands out from the rest. You see, like, I mean, it's clean and nice, lah, right?
Yep.
But if you park next to one with like, yeah, people will look at this. Anyway. Wow. Nice, man. Okay, that is my least favorite Evo 10.
What?
My least favorite Evo 10. Oh my god, the GC8s I tell you.
What?
The GC8s my god. GC8, my goodness. Okay, this is my favorite car in the whole area lah. This one. This GC8 is nice lah. I like the carbon fiber lip here. I like the color of it. The mirrors that cannot not functional mirrors, but looks very nice. I love the big ass wing. Oh, this car is beautiful. Simple and nice. Another GC8. Okay, if you park next to a version 9 and a GC8, I don't know, I still prefer the GC8, man. Gosh. I don't know what lip is this. Everyone is using it. Very nice.
Could be local.
Yeah. Very nice. My god.
Andre, you sudah keluar.
Oh, this car, Evo 9, has It's a very unique wing. Look at his wing. Oh my god, yeah. Very, very, very unique. I wonder what wing is this. But yeah. Very nice. Right guys. So it's the MR here. Okay. All the cars here are just very, very nicely done. Immaculate condition. One of the best, I think, in town. I think in Thailand, probably. All these cars, you don't see them every day, man. And they come out tonight for a special event like this. Man, the Evo trees are just so, oh my god, you don't get to see this kind of cars anywhere. Evo tree, lovely, amazing. Oh, there's a nice E30 there, two-door. Hey guys, I'm really impressed with Thailand and their cars. I think Malaysia has nice cars as well, but yeah, Thailand is something else. Yeah, very good, very nice. Is this your car? Your car? Is this your car? Owner? You? Your car? Oh, nice, very nice. This one, what lip is this? Yeah. What lip is this? What lip is this? This one. C-West lip? C-West?
Custom
Custom C-West. Where? Thailand sell? Thailand not sell. Buy in Thailand? Thailand, made in Thailand? Local Thailand. Oh guys, so this is a local Thailand lip. It's very nice. Owner? Very nice. Good car. Thank you. Very nice. Alright guys, this is an amazing GC. Very nice. Okay guys, I spotted this Evo 6. Sorry, Evo 5. My god. Very nice. Let me talk to the owner. Hi. From Malaysia.
Wow.
Malaysia. Very nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Original Evo 5?
Yes.
Very nice, very clean. How long have you owned it for?
อะไรนะ
How long you own this car? How many years?
3 years
3 years?
yes 3 years
3 years. So original condition,
yes
no modification.
แต่ no engine original
Yeah, but
modify
Engine modified. How many horsepower?
380
380 on 4-wheel. Nice. Can you show me the engine? Thank you. So guys, this is original Evo 5 and the owner owns it for 3 years already. Oh my god, this is nice, bro. Clean, very nice. You don't see a lot of Evos with this kind of condition.
เช็ดมันบ่อย
Honestly, it's very properly done. Even it's not stocked with all the aftermarket parts, it's really nicely done. Very nice, guys. I just love the Evo 5, man. Oh my god. This is so nice. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful car. 380 horsepower. Nice.
Just like to drive.
Yeah. Bro, very nice. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so this is the Evo 6. Bro, Tommy McKinnon
Yeah.
Tommy Mac.
No, it's Extreme from UK.
Oh, UK.
Yeah.
So it's a 6.
It's a 6 Extreme.
6 Extreme.
Yes, Extreme.
Okay, what is a 6 Extreme? Sorry, I'm not Evo guy. Yeah.
It's a version before TME.
Version before TME.
Yes.
Okay, so they come out with a 6 Extreme.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Alright.
This one is special. It's a IS3 450.
Oh.
But it's replica.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Very nice. Very clean, bro. Can you pop the hood for us?
Yeah, but it's a bit dirty.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. No worries.
Can see the
Hey.
yeah.
You bought the okay. Tamiya Extreme.
Everything.
Yeah. Nice.
Keep rally art.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bit dirty.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Still very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how long have you have this car?
4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
4 years. And how many horsepower?
About 350.
350.
Yeah.
Enough lah. Enough. Yeah.
But should have 450.
Should have 450.
Yeah.
You need to up the boost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
450 because this.
Oh, so the Extreme comes with 450, but 450 engine.
Yeah.
Yours is 350 on wheel.
Yeah.
So should be 30 or 40% down. Yeah. Should be around there lah. 380. Yeah.
380.
Yeah. But it's okay. It's good.
Yeah.
Wow, this is rare, man. It's the Evo 6 Extreme Edition. My God. Nice car, bro. Yeah. Thank you for showing us a car. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Alright, guys, this is a 2-door GC8 that is so amazingly beautiful. My God. This is crazy. Oh my God. So beautiful, guys. It's like a family event here. People displaying cars. My God, this is life, man. I spotted there's another nice GC8 just parking right there. And what's so nice about this event is when people are leaving, they can actually stop by the something like a frontal here, and they can take pictures of their cars while they leave. I think this is a very nice concept for car meets. Oh, look at that, man! And they can go, just one round. Yeah, so they meet right up there to take picture, showcase their car for just a car meet like that. I think it's something that it's very different compared to KL Malaysia meets. Yeah. So this guy is actually giving a nice light to the car. He's photographing his car, I guess. Nice. Oh, this is rare, man. This is a Celica GT4. Nice car, bro. Evo 6. It's a white body one. It's crazy white. Look at how white it is. Crazy. All right. So people are leaving. They are going around to park their cars there, and yep, to take photos. I think that's one good concept about this motor show. I love it. It's amazing. Yo, yeah,
If I do this,
yeah, do that.
if I do,
Yeah, go one round, take photo, and come back. This Evos 6 Tommy Mackinnon's edition. I'm not sure whether it's original, but it looks damn nice. Oh my god. Get it, man. It's the original Tommy Mac. It's a very damn nice condition. Just amazing, man. Look at the paint job. I mean, it's flawless. Amazing. Alright guys, this is a 600 horsepower Evo 4. Nice. Can. Hey, nice. 600 horse. Oh my god, look at the size of the turbo. Oh my god. Owner, 600 horse.
yeah.
Enough. Need more? Higher? Need more?
Yeah.
More? Or less?
No.
Enough, yeah, good, yeah.
เขาคิดว่าอะไรปล่อยพอเราต่อก็ไม่ต่อได้ไหมต้องโอ้ยเอาเยอะเลย
Okay guys, you will not expect that this Evo 4 looking like a stock car has 600 horsepower. Yeah, 600 on wheels. It's really amazing, man. This is a monster in disguise. Yep. Of course, you can see it in the engine bay itself. It's heavily modified. Beautiful. Amazing build.
เดียวแล้วดูทรงแล้วอีโมอันนี้มันเป็นย้ายเพจ
Okay, alright. This is a 32. Nice mirrors. Wow. Right, so it's popping up the hood. Oh.
โตเม
โอ้ยชื่อตัวเมย์
yes คอมพิว2.3
แล้วก็ตัวเมย์ไม่ตู้ปล่อยตู้
GD season yes
This guy, all his carbon fiber parts
เอาทำไมกลัวยาก
are dry carbon. When the roof, spoiler, it's all dry carbon. Not wet carbon, guys. It's dry carbon. So you can see the finishing. Dry carbon. Crazy. His canard, dry carbon. Where it slip. Nice. The wing, the mirrors, dry carbon. And Desmond Evo rims, my favorite rims. And the color, look at the color. This green is very unique. Nice.
จะบอกว่าไงเดี๋ยว
เปลี่ยน